Next set 30 seconds each. First one. In a box, there are 20 identical balls, of which 5 are white, 7 black, and 8 red. 2 balls are drawn from the box without replacement. Find the probability one ball is white and the other ball red. Yes, St. Augustine.
It is 4/19.
You're right.
So just to explain this is a very simple problem. The trick here is that anytime you are finding the probability of selecting 2 specific items from 20, the total possible outcomes will be 190. So the probability will be P equal to favorable outcomes divided by 190. And nothing I who say me try 190 our question because you say we are going to select 2 balls from a pool of what? 20 identical balls. Into denominator no be 190. What tell us one? Numerator no ebe favorable outcomes na esehwehwe no. Into we na te white na ebe 5. We na te red na be 8. It be 5 times 8 na ma 40. 40 over 190 no. 10 equal 40 ma ubenya 4. 10 equal 190 ma ubenya 19. And the answer be 4 over 19. But ma memfa nko echire kakra na menche wo formula no. Let's see how the actual formula works. So in this question, probability will be number of white balls times number of red balls divided by n combination r. This formula will be expanded to be number of white balls times number of red balls divided by n into bracket n minus 1 divided by r. Okay, over here the number of white balls will be 5, so P is equal to 5 times 8 divided by 20, because total number of balls is 20, open bracket 20 minus 1 divided by 2. R is 2, adding here because we are selecting 2 balls out of the 20. So the top part is going to be 5 times 8 will give you 40. And then you have 20 times 19 divided by 2. Okay. Ubenya 40 divided by 2 equal 20 more. Ubenya 10. And ubenya 10 times 19. 10 equal 40 more. Ubenya 4. And the probability of the question ubenya 4 over 19. This is the router I also call. So when your question be say hint back where woman say we do not care about the order, whether we will choose white ball first or we will choose red balls first. We don't care about the order. If you don't care about the order, this is the formula that can get you to the answer that you need. But to go super fast, this is about speed and accuracy. Memorize the fact that anytime you are finding the probability of selecting 2 specific items from a total number of 20, the total possible outcomes will be equal to 190. Into what denominator no Hosea, then you just listen attentively for the numerator. And in this question, the numerator was white times red, which will give you 5 times 8 over 190, which will give you 40 over 190. When 10 goes into 40, every 4. 10 goes into 190, every 19. No, I can answer. Into who names are trick way, one way, or be beat you to the answer. So remember this trick, and you will always get this type of questions faster and accurately. Okay, this is Kokochem Education YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Okay, I've made so many amazing videos showing you tricks that can help you succeed in your National Science and Maths quiz as well as your exams. So please do check out our videos on Kokochem Education YouTube channel. There's something I always say, that practice makes permanent. Keep on practicing, and I promise you, you can do this. See you next time.
Think, learn,